That is Christmas. And we're going to check on what on sauce.
Cold.
So come along with me, let me show you around, but I do not also know. So our tour guide is here, Auntie Maureen.
Hi guys.
Okay. So which place is this? It has all the places I've grown. This is Zambeko. Yeah, we're in Zambeko. But now this. Look, are you taking the sunshine? Look at how the sun is hitting my face. Yeah. Sauce. Yummy. So, we're going to Oppie's place. She said if they slaughtered some delicious yo. So come along with us, enjoy the surrounding. And behind the camera is none other than Asienzu Consolate. My baby says so. Thank you for recording us. Thank you for doing a great work. Leave down in the comment section how much should I give her. She's going to be my camera woman this season. Come and say hi. This is Mirabelle. Come on, this is Letasi Mirabelle. She's also going to be partly my camera woman someday. So let's go. Let's go. We have reached. Cody. The goats. Oh man, check out the man. Now we are from checking sauce. TB, but they are still slaughtering. So we're first going to go to church. Our church will be beginning. They are still slaughtering. So right now we are going to prepare for church because it's right now it is 7:45 and church begins at 8. So if you have not gone to church, they'll just bring ours at home. You already know home, so they'll bring it at home. And we shall come back and cook. So first go to church. So you see this attire, a courtesy of my auntie Maureen. She's right there. I can show people. So I'm going to go with it to Kampala. You see my free wear. So yeah. That's what we're going to do right now. So come along with me. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. Subscribe. So yeah, let's go. I hope you enjoy the surrounding. This is Onduba.
It's sorghum.
You see, even in the village we have banana, and it is sharp banana. Yummy goat. Yummy goat.
Oh, the plate.
Then people's home stays a packet by fire.
Small nguru.
Small nguru is there. Nguru. Dove. People have doves at that place. Dovey. Jackie. I have Jackie. But now to be season, imagine we have come when grandma's Indian, but you go like Laru. Laru tree.
It's a laru tree. Just because you can't say Luca here. Luca.
So our home is just there. We have reached home. Zabib.
And there's a Zabib.
That is our young grandfather's home.
Jajamto's home.
So later I'll take you for a tour. Hey, we shall go and do. We shall do. I'll even try it out. I'll show people how they do it. So yeah, we have reached home, preparing for church. See you guys later. So we are now to church. Vamos, que vamos, que vamos, vamos. Pensa. Vai, se ora tá. Nini ora, aqui hi. Hi. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Vamos que. Bye. Hi. Bye. Subscribe. Okay. So, we're already on our way to church. These are my little cousins. On our way to church there. We're already somehow late, but no, regardless, we move. We move when we're about to reach church. Church is just some walkable distance. Walkable distance. Walkable distance. Hey, we're back from church. Say hi.
Hi.
And Scopia, say hi. And Scopia, say hi. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
We're back from church.
Yes, we're back from church. We're back from church and church was fun. Church was fun. Leave it down in the comment section. How did you like the other video? That one was after church. After church, they were throwing Owita. Owita is called one. Not Ofatori, but competition collecting of money. Collection.
Competition collection of Ofatori.
Yes, they were doing that one.
Mr. Salim, Mr. Goody. You may remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe.
Yeah, remember to subscribe. So let's go home. See you later.